sister.
What?
You have sister.
Sister?
You have sister.
Sister.
Sister. I accept your sister, my girlfriend.
Chat, every time when I move, he has to move.
Go somewhere else. All right, stop. Please,
Get your monkey ass! Why like you sucking the blunt?
What? You making love to that cigarette?
Who your barber?
Who your dad? Questions that can't be answered.
I respect, like, oh my.
What the f?
That's racist.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
that's
Kevin,
yo,
what the
My
f
bad.
did that mean?
I got you. Kevin, that was that.
Kevin?
What?